RFID tag means what? Radio frequency identification. Radio frequency identification is consist of one tag and one reader. Tag is actually connected to any object. Object may be whatever you want to detect. ठीक है. So या object detect करताना त्याला काय करतो आपण? Radio links are sent by the corresponding tag when it is come in the range of reader. ठीक आहे. सो मेन पॅरामीटर काय की रीडरच्या रेंजमध्ये जेव्हा टॅग येतो त्यावेळेस तो काय होतो डिटेक्ट केला जातो बाय विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रीडर. सो रीडर रीड्स द कोड करस्पॉन्डिंग कोड. आता बारकोड आणि RFID टॅग मध्ये एक कॉमन डिफरन्स काय की बारकोडला लाईन ऑफ साईट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन लागतं ज्याच्यामध्ये तुमचा ट्रान्समीटर आणि रिसिव्हर एकाच लाईन मध्ये असला पाहिजे तरच तुम्ही काय करता बारकोड प्रॉपरली स्कॅन करू शकता. बट इन केस ऑफ RFID टॅग इट इज नॉट द केस. RFID टॅग व्हॉट नीड्स tag should be must be in the range of reader. ठीक है, must be in the range of reader. Then and then your RFID tag will can detect. So it depends upon the operating frequency of operation. If it is low frequency, then the range up to 1 meter. For high frequency, range can be vary from 1 meter to 5 meter, and for ultra high frequency range can be vary from 10 to 15 meter. Depending upon the operating frequency, you can vary the range. So in case of tag, what is tag? Tag are nothing but actually basically they are classified into three types: the active tag, passive tag, and semi-passive tag. Active tag has their own power supply so that they can use their energy for transmission and reception purpose. While in case of passive tag has no power supply. They do not have their own energy. It can be used by RFID reader. Means whatever the energy generated by reader, it is shared to the RFID tag for the वर्किंग ऑफ RFID टॅग. ओके, सो रीडर कडनं काही जी काही एनर्जी मिळणार आहे ती टॅगला आपण प्रोव्हाइड केलेली असते. प्लस पॅसिव्ह सेमी पॅसिव्ह टॅग इज ऑल्सो हॅव्हिंग देअर ओन पॉवर सप्लाय, बट दे ओनली यूज दिस पॉवर सप्लाय व्हाइल ट्रान्समिटिंग द सिग्नल. बट इन केस ऑफ रिसेप्शन they have to rely upon or they have to depends upon the RFID reader. Now it's circuit diagram. This circuit diagram is very simple. In circuit diagram, you can observe that the RFID tag is consist of one rectifier, transformer, and regulator. Transformer is used to transmit the or used to provide the signal to the rectifier. Rectifier generates some DC signal. This DC signal is regulated by the regulator IC, and whatever the regulated signal is transmitted to the load. Now or to the RFID reader. This RFID reader is interfaced with the controller and the display. Okay, on display you can observe the corresponding code of RFID tag. आता हा करताना त्याच्यामध्ये तीन कंडिशन्स मी सांगितले होते ऑपरेटिंग कंडिशन्स. ऑपरेटिंग कंडिशन काय? लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी, हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि अल्ट्रा हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी. लो फ्रिक्वेन्सीला तुम्ही डिस्टन्स काय असतं मिनिमम असतं बिटवीन युअर RFID टॅग अँड RFID reader. So distance is very minimum, so you can use the inductive coupling for the transmission and reception purpose. So through inductive coupling you can transmit the signal. Radio signals are transmitted with the help of inductive coupling. While in case of high frequency and ultra high frequency, we have to use electromagnetic coupling. So electromagnetic coupling is used when your distance between RFID tag and RFID reader is maximum. So with the help of electromagnetic waves, these electromagnetic waves are scattered at high intensity from RFID tag and RFID reader so that it can be detectable by both. Okay, so it is very simple operation of RFID tag. All depends upon the frequency of operation and the distance covered by the corresponding RFID tag and the reader.